Aloha, Rich Halverson here. This is ITS227. And I'm going to start doing with this video, I'm going to start doing the challenge exercises in Chapter 7. So I'm going to start with 7.1. So let me share my screen. Cat. All right, so this JavaScript, this continuation from JavaScript in the previous chapter. Quite sure. Yes, basic JavaScript. Okay, so this is just JavaScript in the browser because that's really where you write the JavaScript. And there's a console and everything else. So let's go to 7.1. You can access every single JavaScript with JavaScript. You can access every single element that's on an HTML page. Okay, there's this document object model. And there's this. It's a great big huge object called document, and that's in the window, and you can access all the elements of the browser, and you can also add new elements to the browser window. You can take away elements from the browser window. You can do all that stuff in JavaScript, so you can really have a dynamic web page by coding. And so you access all this stuff using the document object, and write line, for example, is how you write HTML onto the document. And so go through this and see here. Well, this will display out random strings here with this thing, and it's got a random number that accesses whether it's the 0th or the 1st or the 2nd. And so as you can keep on rendering the web page, and you notice the message here changes randomly. Anyway, so the window object is really the entire object that you are looking at. Each tab has its own window, and the document is actually a property of the window. There's also the window location, which is the URL. There's the window navigator, which is the browser, and then of course there's a height and a width of the browser window, which would start, I guess, right here. From here down to here, it gets wider or longer, and that these numbers would change. And there's also an alert method where you can pop up an alert on the browser window. This is a confirmation. You got to say okay. This will open up a new browser window, and so on. So go through all this, make sure you understand all this. This is how you'd write out the navigator on the screen. There's a console too. If you go to Control-Shift-J, or I think I can go here and go. I'm going to go to here, and I click on console, and here's the console. Anyway, so but if you want to write stuff out onto the console, just like we did console.log, in the previous chapter, that's where you see that. You write something in console.log, that's where you see it. Okay, console.log, and there's different kinds of how you want the message to look, whether you want it to look like a warning or you want it to look like an error or whatever this displays. Anyway, so let's go down to the this is pretty important. JavaScript is going to be enclosed in script tags, a script and a /script, or it could be a separate file, a JS file, in which case you would have this. You'd still have a script and a not script, but instead of putting the JavaScript in between here, you name a file. Now, you can make it so the JavaScript doesn't execute until the whole browser, everything on the browser has been loaded by this defer attribute, where allows the browser to load the web page concurrently with JavaScript, but the JavaScript will not start executing until the web page is completely loaded. Or there's the async attribute where as the web page is being loaded, as the JavaScript is being loaded, the JavaScript can start executing, depending on what your JavaScript is doing. There's also this concept of minification or obfuscation. Just yeah, it's JavaScript. See, do page source. Let's do a page source here, and see, there's JavaScript on someplace. Here's some JavaScript right here. .js. But lots of times this JavaScript is obfuscated. And so if we look at one of these, let's look at it. I think I could click on it and see it's obfuscated. It's all smashed up together. It's all, using little dinky little variable names that don't mean anything. That's to compact it. No brainer type stuff if you're gonna. Anyway, so that's that. Okay, so here we go. Here's a challenge. Use the WriteLine method of the document object to display the current platform in a p tag in the web page. Hint: the platform property is window navigator. So I guess it'd be something like document WriteLine, and I'm going to do enclosed in a p tag. So there's going to be a p, and then I'm going to have a plus window navigator. Plus, better put that in quotes. Not P. Okay. Close paren. All right. So, is this correct? So what did I do? I'm spelling it wrong or something now. Navigate window. Okay, so let me go back up here and find. I love these mistakes. I love mistakes. Let's find navigator. User agent. I bet I got to put user agent after it. How about if I put that right? Oh, what am I supposed to what am I supposed to print? I'm supposed to print the platform. Oh, is it just platform? Let me try this again. Well, I don't know if it is platform. Let me just go up and see. You know, I don't see it here. I guess I'm just gonna guess. So I'm gonna put platform. Oh, look, it turned green. Oh, look at that. Oh, well. Okay, what's next? Script script there loads JavaScript, loads that. Oh, is that all I gotta do? Okay. Script source equals something, and then not script. And I'm gonna take this here. Put in here. I don't know if you can hear this, but the whole clue is on. Okay, so is this the answer? Yes, it is the answer. All right, so that's 7.1, and I'll stop this video, and the next video I'll do is the 7.2. Thanks for watching.